After printing duck, I tried to print Stepney. It looks like I could definitely 3D print the entire body and not in parts or glued parts. Take a look at this sample here. It's there's a joint right there. Probably I could use some putty or bondo. So I want to say thanks for all the ideas that you guys are giving. So definitely, yes, I will try to make my kind of display collection. But as of right now, just testing the how I could fit on my printer. They look, I mean, they look okay. Obviously, I'm gonna do some sanding, filling, primer paint, doing some light shopping. I think I have the primer. I read some comments that they suggest I could sell them, but here's the thing: I mostly do this for content creation only, and also I haven't asked the creator of the file creator about permission to sell these items. But there's one thing I could actually do. See, this thing right here is a sample. I used to get an exchange for product for video, and I could also, it's just an idea. I don't know, have you heard the word barter? Probably could exchange these models for something that I need. I need some tools. I don't want to buy tools, but we could do that. And I don't like to sell on eBay neither, because eBay takes a lot of fees. But it's just an idea. But in the meantime, I'm gonna continue 3D printing these models for content creation only. Yeah, it will look cool once finished. See, the creator of this file suggests to 3D print those tiny or small parts with resin, which is a good idea. Those detailed parts goes right here. See that right there? We need to respect that. Right there. So connect to Jamos. Is this Jamos or Hamos? Jamos. Like I say, not for sale, and I haven't asked for permission to sell these prints. It's for content creation only. And but if someone is interested, we can exchange some tools for prints, but not really interested in selling. See, the good idea with these larger scale size models, we can have interchangeable faces, which is better than the small models. But like I say, it's for display purposes only.